get their money.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Oh yeah! Fuck yeah! We're still under warning.
I just going to Chicago right now.
It's kind of falling apart.
Yeah.
See, that's why you never know. It's either going to build or it's going to go to shit.
Ooh, wow.
Just woke me up. And we looked at it on radar. I decided I better get up. I assume he's going to start another net if he wakes up. Yeah. Yeah, copy that. I'm going to get dressed in case I get a fire call. Looks like this one's going to hit us. Yep. Yeah, I believe it will. Well, good luck, Ken. I'll be monitoring just in case things get worse for us. KC8Q and Q8WJQ. Okay, talk to you later. KC8Q and Q.
There's usually drains.
I'm still up to KV9I.
Backed it up over by that center gate.
It's not very pretty out there, is it? It may be uglier than the first one come through. Yeah, I believe so. I believe so. Actually, I see down there, Napanee, the tornado warning. Three other hams up here with me at the casino. We never left. It's quite an impressive light show coming at us. Okay, thanks, sir. BRY and who else is it? Okay, k8bry, k8bnb, k8uvh, and k8ysq. Just call it k8bry and the weather trolls. I'll put it on like that.
I'll put it like that. Don't make me laugh to nerves. Oh,
We stay here. We seen this other one coming, and we're all hanging out, having fun anyway. So we'll be here, and we'll let you know what we see. k8bry. I think, sir. KV9I.
Whoa! Shit! Big bolt.
88UVA, 88UVA, you're monitoring.
Whoa, another nice one.
Mild.
Right over there. It's either a rain.
Napanee's due south of that area. Napanee's right there by Shipshawana, ain't it?
That's, dude, that's
Yeah, the other way?
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Watch the lightning.
Middlebury is.
I know, that's what I'm staring at.
Yeah. That's some really dark shit right to the right of that first red tower.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
It's between those two and then just...
KV9I
Yeah.
and 8WJQ on standby in the village
Yeah.
of Bedford.
Have you ever watched Count's Customs?
Yeah.
You ever see where those people that do that, they just had one, they do that paranormal activity, they bought an old van,
Yeah.
old ambulance, they had it decked out. We need an old ambulance that came with a tornado on the side and put all of our ham shit inside of it.
Hell yeah.
Station.
It needs to be like airbrush tornado though. Like
Yeah.
straight up, like.
That's what they did.
Yes.
They did paranormal stuff on the side of it. They did
Watch the Southwest too.
Yeah.
Because I want to change.
That'd be fun.
I want to change. All right, Matt, we're going to start talking this stuff. So don't do again. You should be getting this shit on camera.
It's recording right now, dude.
Yeah, you should be filming it. I just voice recorded it.
We're gonna start launching cows into the storm. Launch another one. Is it a tornado yet?
Support in your general direction.
What is just a rain band? Run away! Run away! I like that Robin Hood.
Men in tights.
We're men in tights. Tights.
This, my friends, is gonna get interesting.
I got sick. Come on! You got this shit on video, dude.
We're just hit doesn't get hit twice. Last week up here, you got hit by lightning. He has no shoes left.
I'll break it and lay out on the ground and somebody grab your lighter and put a cigarette in your shoe. I was changing my swim clothes, getting away my clothes out. Yeah. Tornado. Lightning.
Just got some cool air.
Come to the parking garage.
Control from k8bry.
Oh, hey, watch the clouds, man. Never mind, that was the smoke on my cigarette.
That there is a storm in Calhoun showing weak rotation heading to us in a southwesterly direction.
Weak rotation.
Thank you, sir.
Heading southwest through Calhoun.
So it's gonna come right out this way. Which is weird because most of them head northeast.
Net control on 8B, yeah.
That may not be a ring band.
That radar showing tornado signature. It's probably about halfway between Paw and Three Rivers. So probably just east of Lawton, between Lawton and 131. Moving east at 56 miles an hour.
Damn.
Okay. That's shelter.
I think
Yep.
Yeah. If we go into that door, we go behind the elevator.
Alright.
Well, it does. I mean, I don't think it
No.
does.
Yeah.
Pop on where?
Lawton. No, between Pawpaw and Three Rivers, around Lawton.
Oh, 2 years? Its house caught fire.
Was updated by rotations and stuff.
Control from 88 down there.
Let's put us up together good.
No.
Nice.
This is showing, if this shows any signs of hail, guys, we need to move the vehicles inward.
The thunderstorm warning will go from current time till 3 a.m.
What time is it?
Like 1:30.
Till 3 a.m. Thanks, sir.
Hour and a half. Well, that's to push through the entire county, so it's not moving fast.
Respond, I will monitor. I'm going over to the fire station for video coming. And AWJQ clear monitor.
So we're now under a formal net. So no needless traffic. So put your other frequency on 4.4 if we need to cross and we need to go away from each other. Just make sure you
I think I'm on 4-4 just in case.
well, that's fine if we only need one.
Yeah, I'm on 4-4.
Okay, that's
What should I be on?
I'm on 4-4 monitoring that.
why don't you
Sim 4-4?
yeah.
We are official under thunderstorm warning,
Probably got
Calhoun County.
Why don't you listen-
Possible tornadic rotations coming out of Kalamazoo County. Approximately Lawton area.
Prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana.
Ooh, bright lightning back there.
Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Delaware County.
Look at the far. Oh yeah, I got that one too. Look at the far back horizon between flashes. Look at that back there.
Richmond, Schoolcraft, Washington, Galesburg, Fulton, Cornish, Climax, Vicksburg, Alamo, Augusta,
Decatur, Michigan's over there, over by Paw Paw. Right?
Yeah. Hartford area.
Galesburg, Augusta,
They're probably going to move those cars out of the bottom into the garage.
Whoa, shoo!
When this gets close, we're going for cover. We're not, I won't like that to kill you. Yeah.
I still like that southwest sky on the horizon.
It's really lightning out here. Like it's not a zone.
A large complex of severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for Calhoun and Eastern Daylight Time. Are possible Tuesday and Wednesday afternoon. Otherwise, it will be mainly dry through the middle. The severe thunderstorm warning at 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Brownlee Park to Bronson, Jerome City, and moving east at 65 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard.
I'm still watching straight back that way, man.
I know, that's why
Emergency management. In fact, mobile homes will be heavily damaged.
out where it's lit up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See it?
Expect considerable damage to
Last time I saw that, we had them. It was a middle.
damage and power outages along. No, you should be okay where you're at. Nick, Joel,
You can see Flex's gate now.
Yeah.
go ahead and take them. Location, I've got near continuous intense rain and the winds are picked up significantly. Looks like I may have a wall fall going overhead on a location nearby. Maybe they can identify it better. Okay, Dave, I think I'm leaving it with you.
Watch that line.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's sick.
That shit's getting nasty.
That's sick.
Go ahead, k8bry.
What was his QTH so we can get an eyeball on this? We got a real good view of over Battle Creek from up on this elevation. We do see a walk-off coming in, but I don't know where his QTH was, but we do see it.
He was at Renton Road.
Skyline Drive.
Yes, we can see it from up here in the casino. It's quite intense. Wish we could get better pictures of this. It's
Ooh.
getting kind of wild.
There's he. Go ahead.
Renton Road is between Washington and Skyline.
We got that.
weird greenish flash.
Yeah.
KB9 IAR is our net controller. Be right quick. Oh, you just look out my back window here. Light back in.
That's why it's getting so bright, because that wall cloud is so low.
Slow.
Pushing all the street lights and stuff back down.
Yeah, but you can see flexing gate now.
That's what I'm saying, because that.
But normally you can see it even without clouds. So
Right.
I'm wondering if they got power back now.
k8bry,
I'm pretty sure, but look at that. See how low that is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm thinking we're going to be going for cover here in a few minutes. No, we hear it in our radio.
Yeah.
Look at the rain wall back there.
Yeah.
Well, we've seen the rain wall for quite some time.
That's a Kilo Delta 8 Yankee Q house, is that correct?
It's light.
Harvard lost power. Harvard.
I'm sorry, so much static, I didn't get hardly any of that. It's without power, but not much more.
The arbors back lost power. The arbors
Where's your truck?
That's something drop.
Give it a minute. Whoa!
Oh, yep.
Here comes the rain.
Man.
Hey, my dumb ass is standing here holding the camera.
Okay, thank you, sir. KB9 IAR.
Yeah. Look right, dude. Look at it from this side.
I know, that's what I was looking at. This.
It didn't get the call.
Here comes the wind.
Yep.
power now, you know. Yep. I'll turn it down so you can.
Music. Step out. Yeah.
What about over? Oh, you can't hear it back here. Yeah. Hey, you can't hear it back here. That's because it's on generator.
Yes, we're getting slot in here too.
We may have fun trying to get home. I got 4-wheel drive. I'll just leave to Brian's house.
And we're inside the building, that's all. The big limb that's, by the back porch, the one that's hanging over our house is cracked.
Dude, I just got pushed out the door. That's rotating rain, man. Look at that. Whoa, this is multi-directional rain, man.
It's rotating up.
This is multi-directional rain. That's coming in everywhere.
Yeah, the rain is rotating.
Dude, it was coming and making a loop all the way around this thing. Yeah. Bring my phone. Woo!
Alright, what do I?
Hey, I got the video for myself.
Look at this rain off this wall, man. Looking north, northeast.
Right up now this way.
That's what's up. And feel how warm it is too.
Yeah.
So we've only lost 1 degree. So we started this whole journey at 71 degrees, went to 70 between storms, and we're only set to 69 degrees right now. So we still got a lot of hot air in this bitch. I want to look up, I want to see if we got any phones. Direct here and direct over here. Are we on a tornado warning?
I don't know. Did they say it?
I don't know. That's what they say, a warning.
Yeah, go ahead.
tornado warning is issued. Pam's relaying me from Duck Lake. Tornado warning is issued.
Where?
Calhoun County.
What do you say about right now?
That's all she's finding out. Here, want to hold?
Yeah, watch over. Battle Creek Police are being called back to the station.
Yeah, that's how bad it is.
Marshall area tornado warning for 1.9.
Yeah.
What?
Power line starting a brush fire on Walking Road.
Nice.
What?
It's off over here. I don't like the look of the clouds this way. Off over. Look, coming along the side, the back of the casino. Over here, when the lightning lights up, look over here behind the casino sign. You just said it's been. That looks off that way. If you could stairs.
Stairs?
I ain't taking the elevator.
It's getting eerie though.
So the rain stays down for a minute.
Thank you, sir.
He just told me to call you.
Control the area of T-Rex.
Sirens going off. I don't know.
They just said that's what that noise you just heard too in the background. That's a weather tone, so that doesn't count it. I'm telling you, when that fucker switched directions down there, I think it passed through here.
Yeah.
Because it was coming dead on this way and then started coming in that way. I think it was going past us. I think that already went past us.
I don't think that's it. I don't think that's all of it.
I don't think that's all of it, but I think that was the tornado.
Well, this is getting soaking wet. Okay, Tess. It picked up its soak.